Waalaikumsalam.
Ibu standby dulu di sini. Ada yang harus nyambut.
Wow.
Nanti untuk videonya.
Upacara adat Babang Tanganan Sejak Mika Wita Alhamdulillah kesebagian aksi nuyuai kerajaan tapi kalah anak-anak saja nanti perlu ngembang-ngembang ngarap payang aksi rek sadok-sadok heula aksi rek ngaraja heula antosan heula sakedap antosan sampun karbodoman pun payah pun jelek nadip sapangarsa kawasana di langit pating kareti dunia pating polisi gumar di alam lahir puji syukur ka Gusti kecapna alhamdulillah puji syukur ka Gusti kecapna alhamdulillah raja doa raja munah baring Allah dina hati anu uning dina rasa anu masa dina hati anu masken dina iman dina Islam kitabna Quranul Karim doaku Allahu Akbar Allahu Akbar. Jika yang sekali di dia di hadapan ibu Hajang ini gerajang saudaranya 2 bulan sekali ini kita nah cobakeun ieu teh aya buhajah Eni. Aya rupa RW na coba teh. Ieu teh di mana teh? Di Lebak Beuni ya ieu teh cenah. Alhamdulillah urang biasa bertepung lawu ngobak jongho di batang-batang. Pamungkin aya di batang-batang sing sarehan, sing paranjang Yuswa, sing nyawaya rongkong. Yang kita datang ke itu kesalangan. Itu sorangan kita datang ke dia teh. Iya teh, wah teh mau dia, mau si bebek, si belahan jiwa, si sayang, pokoknya mah si Harimadi Sweetie. Tapi saya tahu yang di bawah ada orang telepon gelap, orang telepon gelap. Kosong dalaman opat, tuan pilu opat, Kak Ibu Eni, acan ayah jarum coklat. Halo? Ada Cika tuh ya Mak? Ayo di mana Sarabeb?
Iya dari patung kuda kene.
Emang di mana lo? Dari patung kuda kene. Kernaon
Ya
iya?
itu mana elok aki.
Iya. Jangan elok.
Apa kita orang ngejemput aki ayo nama.
Kalau rek kawana?
Jadi mah rek di labuan kon keluar.
Aku mau.
Kuna tapi penting mengarenaheun.
Ada teman. Coba. Berapa bang berana ya Pak? Anak ya Bos. Saya penyanyian. Ayo orang agak jauh.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kid.
Menang
Coba doakeun gara aku sisi lagi.
Aduh naon Aki.
Oh tanya Ridho tuh.
Ibu Ridho henteu. Ibu ikhlas henteu.
Ikhlas.
Ibu tampihan deui ya.
Berarti lah aya harus tunjuk ya. Kita belum bisa kau cerita mai.
Alhamdulillah Aki, urang teh di dalam malam puncak sampai ka ada geusnya anu mah 78. Sengaja aya geus bulan September tapi dari mah Agustus keneh ieu Aki.
Oh benar. Nah kamari mah itu di Australia teh geus sabu geus September gitu.
Tenang Aki, ieu mah itu memeriahkan ieu tinggal ibu haji membuat kagelis gitu.
Mani moncorong gitu.
Moncorong pisan. Alhamdulillah nya akhirnya orang tadi rojong ku panitia ti dieu jangan hibur apa kehadiran eta ibu haji rezeki kan.
Kalau hasil ini orang batin sumpah kami guyon.
Bisa jadi akhir seueur pisan kasepuhan, seueur pisan buru-buru, kuring anu mikalan kana seni Sunda. Jadi mah hayang joget tapi nyari tabungan kuang sip Siliwangi.
Kuang gitu aja.
Kuang sip.
Jualnya apa awal bencuk.
Jadi mah seueur pisan kasepuhan Aki. Terkadar kita lamun ini eta mencuk kuang sip Siliwangi. Eta kabeh di dieu nyawer kan ieu. Kudu ya. Ini kamari tengah ini sama di bola ada teh kasih.
Ya,
Sok ada kadinya ya kan.
orang.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always